Eating healthy is very important. Annie, that's disgusting.
No.
Fruit is gross. Soda and chips is so much better. Chips? That's not healthy. Have an apple, Lizzie. No way. Then go to your half of the room. And from this moment on, Annie will be living under the table. But it wouldn't hurt to make some repairs in here. A mini room under the table? It's no big deal. Try it, Lizzie, but my room will be better. The secret room needs to be lifted up. These shelves will come in handy. No more lying around. Let's do it. That's better.
Oh, wow.
Nice and roomy. No big deal. Watch and learn. How about that, Annie? Pathetic! Just you wait, Lizzie! And there's still a lot of work to be done. Every house needs walls. Here we go. And here comes Lizzie, copying me again. And to make the house soft, we use artificial grass. Don't be ridiculous, Annie. I'll have a fluffy blanket on the floor. Vegetables are so good for you. Fast food rules. And Lizzie has a grand plan. Yellow walls are what this house needs. So cheerful. Whatever you say, Lizzie. But pink is so much better. This room is unrecognizable. But you can't fool Lizzie. She also knows her way around an interior. And these tasty stickers are the perfect addition to the design. Anybody hungry? Annie's design is a little fruity. So healthy! The best reward for all my hard work is some soda. Lizzie is a champion, but now we have to take out the trash. Oh no! The jars will still come in handy. It's not trash, it's building material. You just need to wrap the table. That's a good idea, Lizzie! But cans are so outdated. Wow! Let's make pom-poms out of brightly colored threads and decorate the outline of the house. How cute and fluffy! Yes! But it's still not very comfy. This is unacceptable. Annie's gonna fix it now. She needs a stool. Yeah, I have an idea. We'll need a beach towel and stuffing. Lots of stuffing. We put the stuffing on the upholstery, wrap everything up, and tie it with a ribbon. Done! That's soft!
Yeah.
Lizzie is keeping up. She's going to have a super pillow. This is the throne of the fast food queen. And Annie has a new project coming up. It's going to be a fruit table. Draw a circle of the right size on a shiny foam sheet. Cut it out and glue it to the base. You can never have too much decor. Let's use ping pong balls. The simplest thing in the world. A table, huh? No problem, sis. Jars from chips will be legs. And instead of a countertop, we use a pizza box. And it's a table with a surprise. Why put off a delicious lunch for tomorrow? Come here, my precious. Our rooms are awesome. We have to check. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Run for your lives! Ah! Ouch! I wasn't expecting that. Hey, I have a great idea. There's enough room under the table for both of us. We'll have our own hobby room. Let's start by drawing a blueprint. Julia's dream room is daring and dangerous, and Barbara sees everything through rose-colored glasses. Toys and cute decorations. Awesome! Done! Yeah. I'm a genius. I can't wait to see it. It's time to approve the design for the future room. What is all this cutesy stuff? Sis, it's time for you to grow up. Oh, yeah? There you go. Take that. You started it. No, you did. Here's your stupid drawing. What if? Right. We'll split the room in half. Look, Julia. Now everyone's happy. I don't know. Although, okay, deal. Yay, we reached a compromise. Now, let's do it. A cute rug will lift your spirits and create a cozy atmosphere. And now, let's put up a curtain. And double-sided tape will do a great job with it. Wow, so easy. Finally, I won't have to see you. Hey, that's not funny. Julia loves superheroes. Hello, Spider Boy. Welcome to your new home. And as lighting, I've got an LED strip. Barbara loves pastel colors. Which light should I choose? Oh, that's perfect. Love goes here. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for this. Uh-oh, what's going on over there? That's Julia trying to squeeze in the TV. Let me help you. That's it. That's a perfect fit. Now someone can play video games all day long. And for Barbara, cute accessories are super important. That's so cute. You can never have too much light. I need my favorite Kissy Missy. Hey sis, the piggy bank says it's time to go get some goodies. The Troom market is full of tasty stuff. Come on sis, get anything you want. We still have so much room in the cart. Looks like they're going to buy up the whole store. Woohoo! I love chips and marshmallows. Hey, Jules, are you sure we can eat that much? Please stay calm. Hey, that's my package. But I saw it first. Give it back now. That's not for sale. Anyway, we have a self-service checkout, and I'm going on a break. It looks like there's a secret relaxation spot under the counter. Oh, that's better. Hey, where'd she go? Let's pay for our purchases. Slime is so relaxing. Yes, and the poppet ball is very nice. Not to mention the whole collection of squishies. At least now someone is back on track. Oh, it's not easy being a cashier. There you are, my treasures. Phew, that's heavy. Oh, hi there. I think I'll start with some chips. Or some Fanta. That's perfect. Hey, what smells so good? You want some chips too? Here you go. Ew, that's a succulent. Okay, sis, help yourself. Thanks a lot. Sharing is so great, isn't it, Jules? Honestly, yeah, it is. The goodies are here, which means we can enjoy watching our favorite channel. It looks like the secret place brought two very different sisters together. Relaxing is great, but we don't take any days off here. Coach Alex won't cut the sisters any slack. Higher, faster, stronger. I can't do this anymore. Good job, Julia. Now let's pick up the pace. Now let's switch places. Come on, what are you doing? Now, let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. Help me. But in fact, deep inside, Coach Alex is an amateur gardener. All he cares about is maintaining his garden. And now, I'll take a photo for Instagram. I'm done for the day. I think I've had enough too. Hey, hello? Ouch, who else is here? Oh, is that you? Well, here are your cards. We'll see you at the next workout. How about a refreshing cocktail? Oh, I'll have a Caribbean Isles, please. Oh, I'll have the same. Here you go, ladies, your drinks. And the poor bartender can only dream of an island vacation. One day, I will definitely go somewhere amazing. This job is so tiring. It's nice that there's a secret chill zone underneath the bar. A tropical snack. And I said to him, hey man, I hear you're a musician. Time for a summer party. It's about time we had a beach live stream. Hey guys, I'm walking on the beach. And the sound of the Hawaiian guitar will set anyone in a positive mood. It's time to think about how to have fun. A PlayStation, that's what's been missing. Barbara's not far behind. Wow, I love this tea set. Let the games begin. Oh, come on. Playing with half the screen is not a good idea. Blind combat is frustrating. No peeking! Oh man, I lost! What else is there to do? Darts! How could I forget? Wow, almost a bullseye! Let's try it again! Barbie is a true style icon. And our sister photo needs a better place. The guests are here. We can start the tea party. Julia and Barbara are masters of disguise, but this time, something went wrong. You know the rules. No candy. Now put out everything you've got. I'm confiscating this junk food straight to my secret house. And now let's test your knowledge. Time for a quiz. Calm down, guys. Ashley will save you. She has a secret database of correct answers in her hiding place. And Mr. Williams seems excited about something. Oops, the pen fell down. Finally, I get to taste their snacks. Forbidden fruit is so sweet. I love chips. The test is almost over. Hey, Ashley, hurry up. Almost there. And Mr. Williams got really carried away. Hey, girls, the cheat sheets are ready. Oops, looks like someone got caught red-handed. First the food, and now this. You two, go to the principal's office. Now, what a day today. Oh, where was I? I'm going to laugh. Me too. A meeting with the school principal is always scary. You behaved very badly in class. It's Julia's fault. No, it's Barbara's fault. But it was your idea. Be quiet. What is that strange smell? No idea. It looks like the principal has his own secret house too. He's always dreamed of opening his own diner. Nothing to see here. Fill out this book and bring it back. Phew, that was close to burning. Now let's add a bun. Ouch! It's hot! And some ketchup. Excellent. I love hot dogs. Yum! Evening tea is Mom's favorite thing. Girls, come to the table. Where are they? I hope she doesn't find out. I hope we get away with it. What are you doing here? You're my good girls. I won't disturb you. Well done. Phew, we did it! Well, since I'm having tea alone tonight. Oh, looks like Mom has her own secret place too. What do you think might be in there?